Good morning, student. This is your computer class, and I'm your computer teacher. So, move to the first lecture of computer. Chapter number 1, working of computer. As you know that computer is an electronic device and it can perform many tasks to save our time. Okay, a computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instructions stored in its own memory that can accept data, input, process the data according to the specified rule, produce information, output, and store the information for further use. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. So students, computer has three main functions. It can accept the data. When we enter the data by using keyboard, it mean it's inputting. Okay, it's mean it's inputting inputting the data. So computer accept these input data. Okay, now the second function is computer process the data. Computer process the data. Computer store this data. Okay, and the third function is computer display the output information on the monitor screen. You can see the information on the screen, so this is called outputting. Okay, so computer has three main function: accept the data mean inputting. Okay, process this data. Okay, and the third one is produce information means output. Okay, so let's talk about the part of a computer. Computer is made up of many parts, hardware and software. So let us understand the difference between hardware and software with the help of our body. Our body is a hard and we can touch it, move it. But what about our feeling? We cannot touch our feeling. Okay, so computer are also made in the same way, just like human body. Computer is made up of different component. Okay, all of which are very important for overall effective foundation of its system. It consists of two part. One is hardware. Computer is consist of two part. One is hardware and the another is software. Okay, one without the other is of no use. To run a computer, both hardware and software are very necessary. Okay, so the question arise in our mind is what is hardware and what is software? So student, hardware is the part that you can see, that you can touch. Okay, so, what is software? Software is the part which cannot be touched are called software. So, student, computer has two main part, hardware and software. Hardware is that part that we can touch. For example, monitor, keyboard, printer, CPU, mouse. You can touch CPU? Yes, you can touch CPU. You can touch keyboard? Yes, you can touch keyboard. But what about software? We cannot touch software. You can touch operating system? No, you cannot touch operating system. You can touch paint? No, you cannot touch paint. Yes, you can use paint, but you cannot touch paint. So this is called software. Okay, so what is computer hardware? Computer hardware refer to the physical component of a computer that run the software, such as the hard drive, motherboard, video, sound card, monitor, printer, mouse. All of these are hardware. Okay, students. So hardware include the physical features which you can either see or touch. For example, monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, and printer. Okay, all of these hardware, you can touch the hardware. Okay, so students, do you recognize the different part of computer? Can you identify the name below? Okay, first of all, let's look at the picture. This. What is this? This is called monitor. Okay, this is an output device. Okay, this is an output device. This is called hardware. We can touch monitor, we can see monitor. So right below speaker. Okay, what is this? This is headphones. This is headphones. We can also touch headphones. Yes, we can also touch headphones. We can use headphones. Yes, we can use headphones. We can see headphones. Yes, we can see headphones. So right below headphones. Now student, what is this? This is mouse and this is keyboard. So right below the mouse. Okay, so what is this? This is CPU, central processing unit. Student, this is the main part of a computer and this is also called the brain of a computer. Okay, so right below CPU, central processing unit. C for central, P for processing and U for unit. Okay, so right here keyboard. Okay, so let's talk about the part of a human and part of a computer. So, part of a human body that you can touch is arm, legs, eyes. Students, you can touch your arms? Yes, you can touch your arms. You can touch your legs? Yes, you can touch your legs. You can touch your eyes? Yes, you can touch your eyes. Now, part of a computer. CPU. Student, you can touch CPU? Yes, you can touch CPU. Mouse, you can touch mouse? Yes, you can touch mouse. So these are the hardware of a computer. What is hardware of a computer? Hardware of a computer that we can touch, we can see, we can use. Okay. So computer software. Now, what is software? Software is a collection of a code and instruction that tell a computer and hardware how to operate. Okay, software is a set of a program that you install on your computer to help us to do a different kind of work, including games, word processing programs, a word pad, notepad, etc. Student, just like our humans have a feeling that we cannot touch. Similarly, computer have a software that we cannot touch. Okay. Now see the figure. There is a many software figures. Okay. There is Word Online, Gmail Office. Okay, and many other software. Google Drive, Photo Box. Okay, so YouTube. So these all are the example of a software. We can use it but we cannot touch it. Okay, now there is a close relationship between computer hardware and software. If hardware is the body, then the software is just like the soul in a body. So just as the body cannot live without soul, the computer cannot perform without software. Students, if a hardware is not working without software, okay, so software is also very necessary part of a computer. Windows is a series of operating system developed by Microsoft. Each version of a window include a graphical user interface GUI with a desktop that allow user to view file and folder in window. Okay, student, what is GUI? GUI is a physical interface that you can see in your computer. For example, you are seeing paint in your computer. Okay, so paint is a graphical user interface. You can see paint. Okay, so another example is Microsoft Office is a popular set of software program for from Microsoft that include a word processor, a spreadsheet tool, a database program. A web browser is a software program that allow a user to locate, access, and display web pages. Okay, in common usage, a web browser is usually a shortened to browser. Okay, web browsers are usually primary for displaying and accessing website on internet. Okay, so web browsers are usually primary for displaying and accessing website on internet. So web browsers are used to access the websites. Okay, what is web browser? What is web browser? For example, Google, UC browser, which you can use by which you can use internet. So these are the browsers. Okay, students, and we can accessing website by using these browser on the internet. So student, I hope you like the lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.